Do the feet touch, caress the floor, or are they slightly separated from it? If it helps you to keep the balance, you always can use that the feet slightly touch the floor. If you manage to not, if you don't need it, because in a way you keep your balance with these forces, then you keep them slightly above the floor. Which means that you activate in your feet a feeling, then you, in a way you must do it, am I close to the floor or not? Because if you lift the foot like this and place it like this, and if you lift it and you place it like this, that's not how it's meant. We can look deeper into this, but you lose something. If you lift your foot, you lose something which goes behind when you put your foot there. And if you are very close to the floor, you gather everything and bring it. And if you manage to feel with your foot soles where the floor is, you know, I am down there. Yeah? So if you need it, touch it. If you manage to just feel it without touching it, perfect.